Fake records.
What year is this?
Huh?
What year is it?
Oh wait. Just traded it for my other one pretty much.
And they got that front brake, they go on tippy top.
I did that because I was doing burnouts. I usually have it turned down. But I might. Just came from a boy's house, see if he wanted to ride, but he turned me down because he's been partying all night. And he doesn't have the energy today. He said maybe later. Is that a pit bull? Is that your pit? Is that your pit? You gotta do that when you see a pit bull with no leash on, man. I ain't playing that stuff. See if they want to race. Think they want to race? Let's see. Oh, you're not even going to stop at the stop sign. That's badass. Okay. You guys want to race? Maybe not. What up, guys? It's your boy King Fingers. And this video is about me selling the bike. I know y'all like, hey, you gonna sell the bike you just got it. Yeah, but that's kind of what I do. I buy bikes used, I fix them up, and then I sell them. Well, I ride them for a couple of years, and then I sell them and get another bike. And the whole idea behind that is it's kind of my thing with bikes. I want to experience a lot of different bikes from different companies, different styles of bikes. I want to get a naked bike. My next bike I want is a Honda Grom. I ride dirt bikes, four-wheelers, everything. So I want to eventually just cross over to a cruiser. But for right now, I've been riding street bikes. I started out on a 600. Now I'm on the liter bikes. Never had a 750. I was going to buy a 750 before I bought this ZX10, but I came across a good deal. But I'm thinking about selling and then another reason I'll sell my bikes, or another reason I'm going to sell this bike, is because it's getting up there in the mileage. It's still low in miles. It's only 11,400. But I've noticed to have a bike that's in the price, that's in the range that where people want to buy it, is usually around 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Over 15,000 miles. So people stop wanting to buy them. I see those bikes on the Craigslist forever. Ones with 20,000 miles on it or more. So I'm going to drive this bike to about 15,000 miles. It should take me about a year and a half. I don't know. I'm racking these miles up kind of quick. But once it gets to 15,000, I'm going to put it out for sale. You think I got an earplugs? Think I can go up under this? What you guys think? You think I can go up under this? Yeah, right. Yeah, but I'm thinking about selling my bike. I don't know yet, but I'm having a lot of fun on this. But even my CBR, I was gonna sell it. It was getting to my CBR had 10,000, about the same amount that this bike has on it. And I was gonna sell my CBR around 15,000 as well. Once the mileage got up to 15,000, I was gonna sell that bike too and get me something newer. That's also what I like to do, because the bikes change so much from year to year, or around the couple of years. The technology in the bikes change so much. I won't say that your older bike is obsolete, but it's just so much different. The newer bikes have new modes and things I'm interested in, like power modes, quick shifters, auto blip on the downshift. The new ZX10 has that. Man, like I just said, I get tired, and I would love to have a bike that's shifting for me, but I'm lazy. So the bike that I'm looking to get, if I sell this one, I don't even know what I would want after this one. The bike I really want is the 2016 ZX10. I can't afford it. Or the 2016 or 15 KTM Super Duke, which I can't afford neither one of those two bikes until the price goes down on them. Till the price goes down on them. So till then, I don't know what I want. And if I sell this bike, I'll be looking for something around 2012 range, 2013, 2012, something that's more affordable. Maybe a Gixxer or R1, or even a Boost, but we'll see. You guys let me know what you think. I'm only gonna get rid of it for a better bike. And no disrespect to the ZX10, but when I say a better bike, I mean another ZX10, just a newer one. The 2016. Oh, that bike is so freaking clean to me. But this bike is clean too, though. So I don't know. I'm at a crossroads right now. Yeah, my butt is hurting.